This is the SANDMARC Creator Grip for the iPhone. Designed from an industrial aluminum build, the Creator Grip is a handheld device equipped with a Bluetooth shutter button, which allows you to start creating with just a press of your finger. With enhanced stability for a balanced and comfortable grip, the Creator Grip is an extension of your creativity, turning your iPhone into a sophisticated camera. Inside the packaging, you will find the complimentary Creator Grip hard case. When you unzip the case, you will find the SANDMARC Creator Grip, an optional wristband, and an Allen wrench. Grabbing the Creator Grip here, you can rest your index finger on the shutter trigger for a relaxed yet prepared position while filming. Slide the phone in right here on the clamp, and you can begin shooting. The rotating design will also allow you to switch between landscape and portrait. The Allen wrench is used to tighten the iPhone holder securely and lock it into position if you prefer. Sometimes, after rigorous use, you may need to retighten the nut on the adjustable clamp. With just a few quick twists, it's back to its usual tight, secure self, allowing you to switch between shooting vertically or horizontally. To attach the wristband to the Creator Grip, take the wristband and open the clasp located here. Then insert it into the hole at the bottom of the grip. The rounded part of the clasp will be facing the ground like this. Then you will thread the fabric strap through the slot at the top of the grip. There are two methods of doing this. The first method is curling the strap into a tight roll. Make sure you roll it as tight as you can and then release. The strap will curl into a C shape. Then you will carefully slide the strap into the slot and then grab the end as it emerges from the top. The second method is to grab a simple paper clip and extend one side out. Then, as you slide the strap through the slot, you will use the paper clip to edge a corner out of the top part so you can grab it. Once you have threaded the strap through the top part of the grip, slide it through the adjustable clasp band, threading it from the bottom to top, and then top to bottom. Now just tuck the excess strap into the little hidden pocket, and you're all set. The wristband is detachable for those creators looking for a minimalistic look. Offers quick access while shooting on the go. The battery for the Bluetooth shutter button is situated on the bottom of the handle, and you can use the Allen wrench to unscrew the casing and replace the battery if it dies. The battery is a CR2032 titanium battery, typically found in a watch, and lasts up to 6 months. Sometimes when you've framed the perfect shot, it may be awkward to press the shutter button to take a photo or begin filming. With the Creator Grip, the Bluetooth shutter button allows you to seamlessly shoot one-handed, stabilize your movements, and give you a unique ability to shoot longer hours and achieve a camera-like experience with your iPhone. To set up the Bluetooth, first press and hold the Bluetooth shutter button. Then go to your settings on your iPhone, go to Bluetooth, and look through the available pairing devices. Once you see the name SANDMARC, click the name and then your iPhone will pair with the device. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on so you can find the Creator Grip. Then go to your native camera app or a third-party camera app that supports the volume buttons on the iPhone as shutter buttons. What sets this grip apart? Versatility. With multiple mounting options, you can attach extras like a microphone, lights, tripod, and SSD. To mount the Creator Grip to our tripods, simply disconnect the Arca Swiss plate atop the tripod and screw it onto the bottom of the grip. Make sure to secure and reattach the Arca Swiss plate to the tripod. We hope this helps you step up your mobile filmmaking and photography. Questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comment section below. Be sure to like and subscribe for videos like this on our channel. Thanks again, and happy shooting!